happy Labor Day. For y'all to get off, congratulations. But this is a lifestyle. We do it all day, every day, 365. But happy Labor Day to y'all. Here. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, sir. We just got done bush hogging this field. Now it's time to go to the next one.